morning everyone. Today I, Ifra Jahan, with my friend Jyoti Falguni, has prepared this model on 3D-dimensional geometry. In this, we studied like in earlier classes when two perpendicular axes, that is x-axis and y-axis, intersect each other at the origin, then it divides it into 4 quadrants. But now in class 11 we studied that when three perpendicular axes, that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, intersect each other at the origin, then it divides it into 8 parts, which we call it octaves. It also forms 3 planes, first xy plane, zy plane and yz plane. Now octaves, as its name represents, it is divided into 8 parts. This is the first octave, this is the second, and then we have the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. As there are 8 octaves, now we will have a further discussion about it. Now if any object is lying on the xy plane, then the xy plane, then the z-axis will become 0. If any object is lying in xz plane, then y will be 0, and if any object is lying in yz plane, then x will be 0. Thank you. Thank you.
It is a project of Cartesian plane, and Cartesian plane, the plane having coordinate axis x, y and z which are perpendicular to each other, and it has 3 types of axes: x, y, yx, z and zx.
So there are 8 quadrants. First quadrant, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. First quadrant includes minus, plus symbol. Second, plus. First quadrant includes plus. Second, plus minus. Third, minus plus, and fourth, minus plus minus. Fifth includes plus minus. Sixth include minus plus minus. Seventh include minus, and eight include plus minus.
This is our project based on 3D dimensions. There are many principles based on 3 dimensions. There are many applications of this. Many artificial graphic designing and 3D animation, VFX are based on this 3D dimensional, and many of the movies, animated movies, are based on this principle only. And this is our first quadrant, xy axis, second quadrant, xz, and this is third version, yz axis.
This is the model of cone. Here we will see how the different shapes are there if we will cut it in different angles. First is circle.
When we will cut the cone from the top, we will get a perfect round shape, that is circle. We will get a general equation of circle by the distance formula, that is r equals to the whole square of y minus a plus x whole square of x minus h, in which the r is the radius.
If we cut this cone from mid, we will get ellipse. The general equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. Now, if we will cut it slightly from the side, we will get parabola. The standard equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Thank you. Third one is, if we will cut it straight, we will get a hyperbola. This is the focus of hyperbola. It is noted as AE, 0. This is the latest rectum perpendicular to the focus, and the general equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Thank you. So when the cone is cut parallel to the base, we get a circle. This is how it is. And since it is parallel to the base and the distance from the center to all the points is equal, so we get a perfectly round shape. Then talking about ellipse, so when the cone is cut a little slanted, we get an ellipse. And when the cone is cut along its length, get the shape parabola, that is this. And when we cut it more sharply, we get hyperbola.
Everyone, we the students of class 11 PCM are here to show a project on Mathematics Day. The project in which when we speak sound, there are different shapes produced by a light, and the project is here. My friend are here to demonstrate.
Now I am going to speak different sound waves which will help this laser pointer to make different shapes like ellipse and many others. Ellipse. In this, when we say ellipse, the laser pointer make a graph in shape of elliptical path. This is due to the particle of the motion of particle in an elliptical path when we say ellipse or other sounds like
This is straight line.
When we say it will, the image will become infinity, like you can see
The ellipse means that there are many points whose sum from different two points are equal and constant. And whereas in a circle there are various points in a plane which are equidistant from one point in a plane.
Now, I will tell you about the circle, how it is made. So, circle is a set of points from which is equidistant from fixed distance, and it is formed when we cut the conic section parallel to the base. Now, Partha will come to tell you about hyperbola.
When we cut the part of conic section through both the naps at an acute angle with the curves of intersection, we get a hyperbola.
Parabola is made up of two words, para and bola. Para means for and bola means through. A parabola is a set of all points equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane. It can be also described by throwing a ball in the air. And its general equation is y square equal to 4ax.
Now, I'll explain you the ellipse. So, what is an ellipse? So, an ellipse is a set of all points. I'll show the formation of an ellipse. So, basically, these are foci, which is a plural of focus. So, I'll show the formation of an ellipse. As you can see, so this is an ellipse, and these distances that line, the midpoints of the line joining the 2 points, and this is the center of an ellipse, and the distance between the two foci is 2c, which is the sum of this c to this c, and this is called the major axis of an ellipse. From the center, this is a major axis. And the vertical is called the minor axis. And that's all. Now I'll invite Rohit to explain you more about an ellipse.
Now I will show you the visual representation of an ellipse by using a light. So this is the focus 1 and this is focus 2 of an ellipse. We have made this ellipse. Now as I pass the light from one focus, it will meet to another focus. No matter wherever I point the beam of light on the ellipse, it will always point to the another focus when I pass from the first focus. So this means that the distance from this and this is always same, always constant, and it will always meet to two focus. Thank you everyone. So this is our model.